Hi, I'm Pat. I'm a third-year student studying BA Animation at LCC. It's definitely exciting starting the uni life, but there was a lot of stuff you need to do as well and things that I never knew. The best thing is to always talk to different people, make sure you are not always alone. There's always people who are nice and friendly that you can talk to at UAL. The shift from high school level study to university level study was definitely difficult because they give you a lot of freedom and independence in your own work. That means you have a lot of control, but at the same time, if you're used to being guided, it could be quite overwhelming and difficult. And at that time, I found it difficult as well. I did seek some support from the academic support. They do different workshops, inspirational ones as well. I signed up for one-to-one tutorials that would help you with anything. You can just talk about life in general, but you can talk about academic stuff. For example, writing essays and writing your dissertation.